Welcome to my channel. Struggling with weak Wi-Fi in some parts of your home? In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Netgear EAX16 AX2400 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 extender step by step. No technical skills needed, just follow along and you'll boost your Wi-Fi coverage in minutes. Step 1. Unbox and power on. Start by unboxing your Netgear EAX16 extender. Plug it into a power outlet near your main router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Step 2. Connect to extender network. Now, open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop. Look for a network name like Netgear_EAX and connect it. Step 3. Open setup page. Open your browser and type mywifi.ext.net in the address bar. This will take you to the Netgear setup page. Step 4. Log in and start setup. Create a new account or log in if prompted. Click on New Extender Setup and follow the on-screen instructions to begin. Step 5. Connect to your Wi-Fi. Select your existing Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Next. The extender will now connect to your router. Step 6. Placement and optimization. Once setup is complete, unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Make sure the signal LED shows a good connection. And that's it. Your Netgear EAX16 Wi-Fi extender is now ready to boost your internet coverage. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.